Hey, welcome back. Today let us see what is the situation around H-1B visa fees that Trump administration imposed suddenly and which created a massive chaos due to its unclear guidelines. Everyone was stressed. What might happen now? But now they have cleared most of the confusion that lingered for a long time. So, on September 19, 2025, President Trump announced a new policy requiring employer to pay a one-time $100,000 fee for each new H-1B visa petition, effective from September 21, 2025. The policy was introduced by a presidential proclamation aimed at restricting entries of certain non-immigrant workers into the US, primarily targeting H-1B visa applicants. Previously, H-1B visa application fee were around $2,000 to $5,000 per application, making this more dramatic. The US government took this step to protect Americans' jobs and make sure companies are not misusing the H-1B visa system. By introducing a high fee of $100,000 for each new overseas H-1B applicant, the authorities hope that only companies with genuine need for foreign skilled workers would apply. Their goal was to reduce the chances of companies choosing cheaper foreign workers, which they believe could lower wages and reduce jobs for Americans. The implementation caused immediate confusion and concern among employers, tech companies, and potential immigrants because many feared current visa holders would be affected. From companies' point of view, many are concerned about sudden and heavy fee. Big tech firms and small IT companies relying on international talent, especially from India, for growth and innovation. This fees makes hiring new skilled workers from other countries very expensive, leading some companies to pause or stop new sponsorships. They worried the fee will hurt their ability to find the best talent and slow down projects that depends on skilled workers from abroad. By late October 2025, most ambiguities were addressed. The fee applied only to new applicants, not existing visa holders, and would not affect renewal or travel for those already holding H-1B visa. So, if you are studying in the USA or planning to finish your course there and move to H-1B work status, you are safe from the new rule. Only people applying for the new H-1B visa from outside the USA will need to pay this fee. This means Indian students in the USA are not in danger due to this change and their prospects for working after study remain positive. This positive news gives relief to thousands of students and families. If you want to know how you can get a H-1B visa or have any doubt about how you can study and make your career abroad, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.